The Shiv Sena is in a huddle. It's a crucial party meet that is lined up at 12 in the noon in the Shiv Sena Bhavan. And the critical question, will the BJP then reach out to the former ally in Maharashtra? And remember, this is in wake of the article, the editorial, in fact, that has been put out in the Samna, which is the Sena mouthpiece, where the Sena is going on to question the voter and really asking them that, are you really happy with the kind of verdict that Maharashtra has thrown up? He's talking of uncertainty here, that editorial on your television screens now, where the editorial says that Maharashtra faces uncertainty yet again. Let's get in the very latest from Kajal. Now, Kajal, what really is the inside track? Because the point is, does the BJP need the Sena more, or it's vice versa? Because let's not forget that the offer that the NCP has given for an unconditional support really is also meant to contain the Sena somewhere. We are trying to get Kajal with us to get us more details of what really is happening in the Sena camp. But what we are hearing, it's a crucial party meet which is lined up at 12 noon today at the Sena Bhavan. And the crucial question, will the BJP be reaching out to the former ally in Maharashtra? This is in wake of the editorial which has been put out in the Samna today. Kajal is with us now on the phone line. Kajal, the point is, does the Sena need the BJP more, or it's vice versa? What really is the Sena thinking right now? And also tell us what could be the ramifications of this editorial which has been put out in the Samna today.
Well, as Aditi rightly mentioned some time ago, the BJP is not really concerned with the editorial that has been published in the Samna, except for when the editorials have been harsh against Narendra Modi. Otherwise, they do recognize that the editorial is primarily a communication of the Shiv Sena to its own cadre. And that is why that may not impact the negotiations. But this is one thing that will impact the morale of the BJP cadre. This is something that the BJP is considering, that it will, the cadre will not be very happy if the BJP goes ahead with the Sena without any conditions put forward to the Sena. The Sena, on the other hand, says that despite whatever they might be saying, they do not have a clear majority, a clear mandate, and that is why they will need the support of someone else. And in that case, we are best suited to support them, because an NCP is a naturally corrupt party, even according to the Prime Minister. And that is why they will not be able to explain it away very well to the public if they take outside support of the NCP. The BJP, on the other hand, because of getting almost double the numbers that the Sena has, says that we will not be backing down. We will not actually be making the effort, the first effort. There is a meeting of the Sena legislative party today at around 12 o'clock at Sena Bhavan, and the BJP is also meeting with its observers sent in from the center, which is Rajnath Singh and Nadda. So all these meetings will decide what the future course of action will be from the side of both the parties. There will be communication throughout the day between the Shiv Sena and the BJP, and that is when it will be, and by evening, a clear picture will emerge as to whether the BJP will try and get support from the Shiv Sena.